Hi there and welcome to another video. In this one I decided to go for a soft goth slash vampy look. It's a little bit different than what I usually do, especially with this lip color. A little out of my comfort zone, but I absolutely love it. And it's kind of healing my inner child as well, because I'm thinking that teenage Raluca would have really appreciated this look. Anyways, let's get into the tutorial. I'm gonna start with a little bit of eyeshadow primer on my lids. I already did my face makeup. It was really minimal, just concealer, powder, bronzer and blush. I can now move on to my eyes. I'm using the Shadow Insurance eyeshadow primer from Too Faced, and I'm just using the tiniest amount of that on both of my lids. The days are getting shorter and I almost can witness a sunrise, but it's still shy. Today I am reaching for the Warrior 2 palette from Juvia's place. This one that is completely messy, but it's fine. It has nice shades and shades that would suit today's look. I'm gonna reach for a bit of a transition first, which is gonna be Kana. This is such a beautiful transition. It's so cool tone. I feel like this could also work as a contour for the face for really pale people like me. This is gonna go on the outer and inner portion of my lid. So I'm starting it here, kind of doing a little extension, but also in this inner portion I'm actually gonna emphasize this darkness that I have right here. So going left and right in this area, kind of extending it towards my nose. And I am taking a little bit more and applying it all over my lower lash line. I want to darken the eyeshadow part a little bit, so I'm gonna do a combination of Kana and this dark grey. Just a little bit of it. I will use the same placement, so first applying it on the outer corner. Not bringing it as high up as I did with the transition shade, so keeping it just a little bit lower on my lid. And also applying the same mixture on the inner portion. And again, connecting it to my nose. I feel like this placement really works for darker looks. I did it in my unapproachable look, and it does have that effect. It intensifies the eyes and makes you look a little bit more mean, I guess. To brighten my lid a little bit, I'm gonna take Zaz. I think this might be pure white, but let's see. I'm using a shading brush from Real Techniques. Oh, okay. Dusting of the excess, that's a little bit too pigmented for what I wanted. I'm gonna apply it all over the lid to create a nice contrast. I'm just using my previous brush to re-intensify this area without any additional product on the brush. And next I want to do a smudged eyeliner, and I'm gonna use a black eye pencil. I still didn't get a decent one, but I'm gonna use the Catrice khol kajal eye pencil, which kind of bleeds on the waterline, although it says it's waterproof, but I don't have anything better, so that's what we're working with today. So I'm gonna apply this on the outer corner, doing a little bit of a liner. It doesn't have to be perfect because I'm gonna blend it out anyway. Like that, kind of the beginning of a liner. I'm gonna take a pencil brush, Morphe 149, and I'm gonna extend it and create a slightly longer wing, but I want it to be faded, so doing it with the brush like that, by blending the pencil, it kind of makes the tail of the liner a lot smokier. You can also do this with an angle brush if you don't have a pencil brush. I'm gonna apply a little bit of that in the inner portion as well. And again, smudging it a bit so it's not that graphic. And last but not least, I'm applying this on my waterline. I think you can also skip this. This depends on how soft you want it to look. I think it works both ways. I'm also lining underneath my lashes. I think I'm gonna also do a little bit of setting, so I'm gonna pick up the black on this same brush, tapping off the excess so it doesn't fall on my face, and gently going over the liner to set it in place, and this also intensifies the black, of course. I'm gonna finish off the eyes with a little bit of mascara, and I'm using the Sky High from Maybelline. And I'm not using a lash curler today. I don't mind if my lashes are a little bit more flat. I'm actually brushing them a little towards the outer corner so they extend my eye. I'm using it on the lower lashes as well. I want to attempt something for my lips. I'm not sure if it's gonna work or not, but we'll see. I want to line my lips with the same black pencil that I used on my eyes. Then apply red lipstick to create kind of like a vampy goth type of lip, I guess. I have Vaseline on my lips right now, so I need to wipe that off. I'm using cosmetic Vaseline to moisturize, just to clear that out. And right now I look like a cartoon character. I'm filling in the sides. I might need a brush or something a little bit later, but we'll see. So next I'll be using the L'Oreal Matte Resistance in the shade Spill the Tea. Hope this is gonna work out the way I imagined it would. Why do I love this so much? My god. This is actually stunning. But I might need to do some cleaning up. It looks a little messy. Not that that's bad, but I don't know. I'm taking a little bit of concealer on a flat brush, and I'm just going on the edges, kind of cleaning it up. Yeah, it's definitely a look that teenage me would have appreciated. And that is everything for today's look. Soft goth vampy vibes. I hope you like how it came out. It's a little bit different than what I usually do, especially with a dark lip. I usually go crazy on the eyes and keep the lips quite soft, but I really like this. I feel like it's bringing out another side of me, which makeup can do, and that's why I love it so much. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was useful. I wish you an extraordinary day, and I will see you next time. Bye!